How can digitalization and automation help your office become more productive and efficient? Burlo Fleri Soler Associates, a leading notarial services company, embarked on a digitization exercise of all of its 31,360 documents, making them instantly accessible by all 20 employees, from anywhere, cutting research time down from a matter of days to instants, and reducing expenses on hardware maintenance and even office space rental. All thanks to Therefore, a document management system, and Scan2X, an intelligent document capture solution. Scan2X and Therefore automated the capture of paper documents using Canon high-speed document scanners, while extracting metadata from each document, digitally archiving them in the cloud, and saving data to a Therefore repository, ensuring full compliance thanks to Scan2X's data capture consistency guarantee. Therefore's full text search functionality allowed any employee to access any document within seconds from anywhere. Scan2X and Therefore, tech that simplifies your business processes.